Cracked heels are a very common problem and can range in severity from a cosmetic issue to a painful problem. In today's video Remedies 1 will discuss how to fix cracked feet. If you are new to Remedies 1 channel, please take a moment to subscribe this channel and tap the bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish new videos daily. 1. Vegetable oil. A variety of vegetable oils can be used to treat and prevent cracked heels. Olive oil, sesame oil, coconut oil, or any other hydrogenated vegetable oil will work. For best results, use this remedy before going to bed to allow ample time for the oil to fully penetrate your skin. 1. First soak your feet in soapy water and scrub your feet with a pumice stone. 2. Wash your feet and then dry them thoroughly. 3. Apply any vegetable oil liberally on your heels and soles. 4. Put on a pair of clean socks and leave them on overnight while you sleep. In the morning, your heels will be noticeably softer. 5. Repeat this for a few days until the cracks in your heels are gone completely. 2. Rice flour. Exfoliating the skin on your feet and heels will help remove dead skin, thus preventing cracking and dryness. Rice flour can be used as part of a homemade exfoliating scrub. 1. To make the scrub, mix a handful of ground rice with a few teaspoons of honey and apple cider vinegar. Stir it until it becomes a thick paste. If the cracking on your heels is extremely bad, add a tablespoon of olive oil or sweet almond oil. 2. Soak your feet in warm water for 10 minutes and then gently scrub them with the rice flour paste. 3. Repeat the process a few times a week until you are satisfied with the results. 3. Lemons. The acidic property in lemons can be very effective in softening rough skin that leads to cracking. 1. Soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes in warm water with lemon juice added to it. Avoid using very hot water, which can cause your feet to dry out more. 2. Scrub your cracked heels using a pumice stone. 3. Wash your feet and pat dry with a towel. 4. Rose water and glycerin. The combination of glycerin and rose water makes an effective home treatment for cracked heels. Glycerin softens the skin, which is why it is widely used in cosmetics. Rose water adds vitamins A, B3, C, D, and E as well as antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic properties. 1. Just mix equal amounts of glycerin and rose water thoroughly and rub it on your heels and feet daily before going to bed at night. 5. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is another incredible remedy for dry, cracked feet. It helps moisturize your feet and also fights fungal and bacterial infections thanks to its antimicrobial and antifungal properties. 1. Before going to sleep, soak your feet in warm water and scrub with a loofah. 2. Dry your feet thoroughly and then apply coconut oil generously on your feet. 3. Put on a pair of clean cotton socks for the night. 4. The next morning, remove the socks and wash your feet. 5. Do this daily for several days until you are satisfied with the results. You can also use olive oil in the same way. Have you tried these remedies to get rid of cracked feet? Let me know in our comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.